Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with my favoriteest subscription box, and it is the Boxyluxe box for the month of September. Yes, September, fall. I think this one goes by month, not by season, something like that. But this one here, for those of you that don't know about Boxyluxe, it is an upgrade, a subscription upgrade for BoxyCharm. This one is $49.99 every 4 months. So you don't pay the 21 plus the 49, you're only paying the $49.99, and you are set to get at least $200 or $250 worth of products inside. This one tends to be really makeup heavy, so that's why it's my favorite. But you get all full-size products, so you're not getting any of these small products at all. They're all full size. I believe they're 8 or 9 or 10, one of the two. But you get a good amount of products in here for $49.99. So when you open it up, the box is pretty big. You get your little pamphlet here giving you all the information for your box, and you have all your products inside. I do like that they protect the products a lot. They always come with packaging foam, and then what I'm seeing with this one here is that it even has bubble wrap in between. So, ooh, I already see, oh my God, okay. I already see the first one here, and it is from Tarte, and it's the Park Avenue Princess. I think they added this one to the very first Boxyluxe box that they had, and I was so mad because I didn't get it. I didn't get the very first box. There was like, it was a crazy thing. I didn't, I was waiting for them to release it, and when they finally released it, I couldn't get on the website, and then it crashed, and it was a whole thing. So they put it on this box. Whoa. They put it on this box, and I'm so happy. This one here, whoa, yeah, the pens are awesome. So this is a bronzing palette. These are the colors here. So this one's shimmer, these two are matte, this one is shimmer, and both of these are matte. So I am so excited, especially because I know these are expensive. So product number one, totally awesome. Let's keep going and see what else we have. Ooh, we have a Violet Voss palette here. We have received products from Violet Voss before in our boxes, and I honestly use that other eyeshadow palette every single day. So what we have here, super nice colors. It is Essentials. It is a Pro Series eyeshadow palette. That is what the outside looks like, and it is one of their smaller palettes, and these are the colors here. They're super pretty, they're colorful. There's nudes, there's color, there's shimmer, there's matte. Their formula is awesome, so I already know I'm going to like this one too. Oh my God, I'm super excited. Let's keep going. I hope the streak doesn't stop. So more packaging, and ooh, okay, I know I got an email about this one. Honestly, I was okay with whatever I got, but I got to choose what I wanted. I believe it was this brush set, a straightening iron, and this curling wand. So this one is from Sutra. Yes, from Sutra Beauty, and it is a 32 millimeter 1 1/4 inch clipless curling wand, or curling iron, they're calling it. It comes in a little pouch here. It's so nice. This pouch is super soft. Let me see what the actual wand looks like. This is a pretty big wand. So this is it here. It's just black, and it just has your on and off button here. And this is a pretty thick wand. I actually thought this one was a pretty good wand for my hair because it is a lot longer now. I used to have my hair my hair used to be up to about here to my shoulders. But now it's a little bit longer. So I thought that this size of a wand was going to be really good for my hair. So I'm so happy for this one. Oh my God, this box has been awesome. So let me keep going. let me grab this one here, and it's from Dr. Brandt, and it is a hydrobiotic recovery sleeping mask. This is what our outer packaging looks like, and let me see the bottle from the inside. So it does say it's a mask. Oh, it's a small mask. It just says recovery mask. I honestly don't know if it does anything else, but this is the bottle. It's pretty small. You guys can see compared to my hand. It's a pretty small bottle, but I mean, it's okay. Sleeping masks, you don't use a lot of it, so they tend to last a good amount of time. And up next, oh my God, how many products do we have? Okay, so up next we have a hydrating hair balm from IGK. I've never used a hydrating hair balm. This is what our packaging looks like. And let me see. Oh, it smells like almost like a perfume. It reminds me a lot of a perfume that I have, but I can't remember which one. And it's just a clearish, whitish gel. That's, if you guys can see it there. That's what it looks like. So I'm assuming you just put it on your hair and you just leave it on. Let's go back in. Oh my God. Okay, I have something from Sunday Riley, and it is a brightening enzyme water cream. Oh my God. I know Sunday Riley is pretty expensive, so I'm so curious to see how much this is. At the end, I'll give you guys the prices for everything, and I'll add it up, see what the total value of our box was. But this is what the cream looks like on the inside. It has a bluish tint to it. I'm super happy that I got this one. I think there were other options, this one and maybe like 2 other things that they could have put in your box, but I'm super happy that they put this cream in here. We are down to 2 things in our box. I'm gonna grab this one next. It is from Hank and Henry, and it is, let me see, what is this? It's a liquid liner. The color on the outside though is more like a metallic burgundy, so I'm really curious to see what the inside is like. This is the packaging here for the eyeliner. It's really nice. It's simple but nice, and I've heard a lot of good things from this brand. So oh, okay, so it looks like it's actually going to be brown. That's what it looks like once you take the lid off. And let me see here. Wait a minute. It's going on black. That's black. They tricked me. So that is it there. Honestly, with the swipes that I did here with the lines, I can kind of see it bleed into my little lines, my little wrinkles, or the little lines on my skin. I can see it bleed into those lines. So I hope it doesn't do that on my eyes. And it's not the darkest black I've used before, but we have to wait and see until I try it on my eyes to see what it actually looks like once you have it on. And we are down to our very, very last thing, and it is from Stila. Oh my God, they have really good brands this time. We have a Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick, and in the shade Patina Shimmer. So I'm assuming this is going to be totally not what I expected. I thought this was actually going to be like a burgundy kind of color. I was expecting it to also be super metallic, but it's a pink with a bit of a golden shimmer to it. Totally not what I was expecting. So that is our wand there. I've tried the Stila liquid lipsticks before, and I really, really like them. Oh, this is a really nice color, actually. I like their liquid lipsticks. That is it there. They are not drying to your lips or anything like that. They're really comfortable to wear, and this is actually a really, really nice color. I thought it was gonna have a lot more metallic to it, but it doesn't. So you know what? I really, really like this box. So let me grab my little pamphlet. Where did I put it? I got super excited once I started taking out the items that oh, here it is. Okay. So with our pamphlet here, we're gonna start first with our Violet Voss eyeshadow essentials eyeshadow palette. Total retail value for this one is $29. Our Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Oh my god, no wonder it's so small. $52. Oh my god. Okay. Our Hank and Henry, where did that go? Our Hank and Henry Blackety Black eyeliner. This one, the retail value is $20. Up next, our Stila lipstick. Where'd it go? I just had it. It is $22. Yeah, so I've actually purchased these myself before, and that is the price I have paid. Up next, we have our Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and it's upside down. And retail value for this one is $45. Wow. Okay, this one, oh my god. Okay, so our Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Retail value is $56. I would not go and pay that myself, but I'm super happy that it's in my box because now I just saved myself $65. Up next, we have our curling iron, the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip, which is this here. Retail $65. Oh my god, we got a really good box this time. And then our very last, the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. Retail value for this one is $29. Okay, so let me add all of these up really quick and I'll let you know what the total value of my box was. I'll be right back. OMG. So after adding all of it up, the total value of my box was $327. That is a crazy high value for the box. Keep it in mind, I only paid $49.99, $50. I only paid $50 towards those $327. If you ask me, I think that's an amazing value to a box that honestly, I can say I liked everything. The only thing that was a little bit iffy was my Hank and Henry eyeliner, just because it kind of seemed like it was running on my little lines. I hope it doesn't do that on my eyes, and if it doesn't, oh my god, this box was amazing. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me see. I got box variation number 5L. It says right here. That's my box variation 5L. Yeah, this box is awesome. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. That is all for me from today. I'm gonna go ahead and play with all my items here that I got, and I hope I will see you guys next time. I will have another video up really soon, and I hope you guys are all back here. That is all for me today, and I'm out. Bye.